This is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're looking at the brand new Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. This whaler has the sharp light gray hull, silver graphic scheme. Is it equipped with twin Mercury Verado 300 motors. Go up and take a look inside. As we step aboard this Outrage, first thing you'll notice are these two large 300 Mercury Verado 4-stroke motors with the white finish which match the boat perfectly. As we step in, you'll see a large area for fishing. This boat comes with the upgraded Yeti cooler, live well, sink. It has the full canvas package. You have a pull-out seat back there. So we look at the helm, it's fully loaded with electronics, big Raymarine screen, onboard VHF, vessel view, and a new Fusion stereo. Comes with the tower and the rocket launchers. As we walk forward, under the console you have your head, electronics board, another stereo access. A lot of room in there. As we move to the forward of the boat, you have plenty of seating in the bow. The boat's also equipped with a windlass anchor, remote controls, lots of storage on this boat, as you can see. Nice glass enclosure, windshield wiper, LED lighting. Have trolling seats on both sides. Cushioned rails all the way around. Makes for nice leaning when you're fishing. It's a really impressive boat. If you have any questions about this vessel, give us a call at MarineMax in New York and Huntington. We'd be happy to answer any questions or show it to you in person. Thank you.